Let's create this beautiful layouts using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. All layouts customization settings are the same. For example, I will customize the general layouts, create style, set a name and save. Successfully create our layout. In a new tab, now we will create a page using the short code and check how these layouts appear on the page. That is how the layouts are displayed on a page. Back to General Layouts page. Now we customize the layouts. In the layout options, we can set the column size, column gap, and row gap. We can also hide or show the badge, category, title, rating, image, price, and icons.
In Product Query option, we can hide stickout product. We can set product category and product type. We may show some of our selected products from the included product options. And also hide our selected products from the exclude product options. We can display our products in the layout filtered by, ordered by options such as price, title, date, etc., and sorted in ascending or descending order. If we set 8 products per page, we will see 8 products on each page. If we set it to -1, all products will be displayed on a single page. For example, I'm showing 12 products in one page. And also I set a category. In cart icon setting, show and hide cart icon. Can change as cart icon. For different actions, such as the cart icon, added to cart icon, grouped icon, external icon, and variable icon. We can also show, hide, and change the card names using the tooltip option. Enable the wishlist option to allow users to save their favorite products. Add the quick view option, allowing users to preview product details without leaving the current page. In the Product Compare option, you can change the Compare icon, Added icon, and also customize the tooltip text. Save the layouts, and after customization, this is how the content view will be displayed on the page. Now let's customize our layout style. In Product Body option, we can change alignment, background color, hover color, and set border. For example, I set a hover color to change how the product appears when hovered over. We can also set a gradient color to enhance the design. Click on the Gradient Color option, select a color picker, and choose your desired colors to set the gradient. Here, we can change the color alignment and the color direction, such as linear or radial gradients. We can also add more color pickers by clicking below the color bar to create a multicolor gradient. Set border. I also set a box shadow to add depth and enhance the appearance of the product. Set some padding to create space inside the product box for a cleaner layout. In the badge style option, we can customize the product badge by adjusting the background color, text color, height, and width, etc. In Image Style option, we can set an image hyperlink, choose to open it in a new tab, add no follow attributes, and adjust the image size. In the Icon Style option, we can customize the icon by adjusting the alignment, height, width, background color, hover color, text color, icon size, and icon gap, among other settings. In Tooltip option, we can customize the tooltip. We can also customize category, title, rating, and price style. Save the layouts, and after customization, this is how the content view will be displayed on the page. Now we customize Advanced option. Here we customize body margin and padding. In the pagination options, we can set up pagination and style it to match the design of the page. We change previous and next button icon. We can also set Load More button and customize the button. We can change body background color, border, and set box shadow. Save and open the page, which we create using short code. This is our beautiful and attractive final design. Thanks for watching this video.